Good morning, fellow mothers. Totally Matt here. Jamming to some Black Angels. Their new rendition sessions. I Hear Colors. Check out the Black Angels. May 15th they release a whole new album. A live one. And I Hear Colors is great. I love the Black Angels as much as I love Toyota Genuine parts. And Toyota Genuine reproduction parts like Hemi Alex's tumbler. I'm filling with my super powerful crack tea, green tea, black tea mix, real lemons. Toyota Matt doesn't do sugar anymore, he does real lemons. So, this will be kind of a short tech video. What were we talking about today? Let me see. Let's see, okay, so, quick story, I reached out to, a gentleman on the internet on an online auction, and, he had some non-USA parts, and I said, do you have anything else? And he said, sure. I gave him my phone number, and he called me. It turns out he's a mud member. He visits us once in a while. But he showed me pictures, and in the pictures was this valve cover. Now, I see this as being the bold 2F logos. This should be a 79 and 80 in the USA. I need my T10 Professor's pointer. I always forget it. What are we going to use today? We need a pointer really bad. Stand by. Here we go. How about the end of a wooden spoon? Okay, so you can see over here there's a decal. I'm going to take the camera in and show you guys. This is an original decal facing the right side of the vehicle. I think the vehicle was right-hand drive, but I don't know if that's irrelevant because there's a PCV hole. Non-USA F engines would have the canister side air filter out here, not the oval one. So this is visible. Okay? I had to have this valve cover. Simply to gain access to this decal. There's no way he could have peeled it off. He said he would. I'm like, no, don't touch it. I didn't know the significance of this. I've never seen one before. So, without further ado, and no more chatty matty, I've reproduced it. Exactly, period correct. Along with this 3F decal, but I'll be back to that in a second. So, I knew what TEQ was all about, Toyota, but in the 2F, but I didn't get this kanji here. And this decal, which was a separate acquisition of the photos and measurements from the original, had the same exact kanji. See the dashes at the end? See the dashes at the end? So my good buddy at Gonzo Ponch down in the 55 series standalone basement form in the cellar dwellers of mud translated it for me. Toyota 2F Fire Brigade. Toyota Fire Brigade. There's a 2F added here. There's not a 3F here, but Toyota Fire Brigade, Toyota Fire Brigade. This is an FJ62 2F right-hand drive fire truck valve cover. The 2F is embossed, so there's no 2F blue decal. There's a silver one here, which I'm not going to zoom in because it's I can't make it out. Maybe, you know, spark plug tune up or something. There's ghost of a decal here. It's probably hard to see right in this area. That was a big one, so that might have been the tune-up specifications, like valve adjustments. But the fact that this survived, I've never seen that before, and I've hunted for it. I can't find it. And I realized maybe years ago I actually had seen it, some weird 2F or 3F decal with kanji under it, and I dismissed it, and I just kind of came back to me. Well, get ready. We're going to take a ride. Houston, the TEQ is landing. Bang on. I want you guys to stare at that Let me get the camera situated. Stare at this diagram for a minute. Okay. Oh, let me get the camera right. There we go. Stare at the diagram a minute, and I'll do a quick call out. Call out number 11291. It's plate engine name. The part number is really weird. 07049-20511. 11 of 80 to 11 of 84. There's a, I added this here. That's simply a screenshot of my artwork. I designed the sticker myself, the decal, the artwork, you know, on my Photoshop, 3D Photoshop. And I think I got it pretty damn close. I mean, this is the only way to do it. You had to, there was no way to scan that in. You had to draw it manually. And I'm getting pretty good at that. As some of you may have noticed, plastering the halls and walls of mud has become nothing less than a hobby and art therapy time for future generations to enjoy or not enjoy. If you don't enjoy it, well, turn the video off now. This is nothing less than premium, genuine quality reproduction OEM parts. This is my best work, and I'm proud of it. So I hope you folks will consider adorning their 2F anywhere, or their bumper, but that's the period correct location, and it's an original decal. Photos are only worth 1,000 words, but a tech video live, photos or it doesn't exist, heck, tech video and it does exist. So now real quick, this decal with the 3F and the kanji, ignore the promotional banner, this is a 3F Fire Brigade engine. This information came off a Land Cruiser at the Heritage Museum, with the dedicated help, and I'm very grateful to an individual that will remain anonymous, did the measurements and the photography for me. This is period correct. I will have standalone decals. I added the bar on the bottom to create the new company decal. Every single order gets one of these decals with the the banner on it. I will have standalone ones without the banner, and this one on the online store. These will be on the online store, and of course they're on backers, so that's what they look like. So that's enough of that. Probably gotta edit out spill my thing here. So let me get the camera situated back up. Okay, so I don't know what kind of monkey business is on the radio here, so let's figure that out. Okay, we're back. A little bit more Black Angels. Okay, so first we have, let's go over the key cases. I got some snappy key cases from Japan. These are OEM Toyota genuine parts. They come in the original rice paper backing with a Toyota gold leaf box, and they're really cute. Maybe a female owner operator. Maybe my friend Aloha Jen will get one, if you're listening. And they have a button inside, and look what they come with. Oh, look at that. It comes with a golden key. It'll come with one of your choice. In here, I doubt you could see it, but imprinted in here at the bottom, let me see if I get that image right here, it says made in Japan, and there's actually it's not a part number, it's a serial number. I've got 09168, and that's 09166. So they're in numerical sequence. That only Toyota would have put serial numbers on a key case. So these are really old. I mean, this material is like something you would find on a dash or a seat. And it's got a little paper card inside. And these are NOS. I only have a few of them. I hang on to one, two for myself and Mrs. Toyota Matt, maybe, if she's nice. What else? We only got a minute here. Some gold keys. I'm really pushing the gold keys, so if anyone wants one, they can be code cut. And, well, they look like $1 million, but they won't cost that much. So it's kind of my bling thing. Lastly, prototype in development. Does anyone see what that is? That is going to be an oil cap that screws onto the bottom, or will screw on securely and be sealed with a factory Toyota O-ring. This is 100% Toyota genuine parts, and it'll securely thread onto here and seat with the same replaceable O-ring that's on the service caps. That, I don't know if you guys have noticed, there's a seal you replace like an O-ring, but it costs almost as much as an oil cap. And this will have a factory Toyota oil cap gasket and thread on securely. And yeah, it's all metal. So I think that I don't know if that's gonna be a game changer or not. I'm gonna have them available in silver zinc and the gold. I don't know. I don't want to push the gold oil cap. I think it to match the factory nuts here. I think silver zinc's appropriate. I might do black anodized or black zinc to match, but that's nothing less than spiffy bliss. Okay, have a good day, Mothers. Toyota Matt, over and out. I don't know you guys, but my favorite thing is the fire brigade decals. Nothing less than blows my mind. Just when you think you know a little bit, you don't know jack, dude. Because this, I didn't know about it, man. And now we all do, and it's all ours here on Mud. Thanks.